Hi, I'm Bill Wilder, the Executive Director of the Lifecycle Institute, the Learning, Leadership, and Change Management practice at Lifecycle Engineering. For 30 years now, more than 30 years, we have been researching, benchmarking, documenting, and applying best practices in maintenance and reliability. And during that 30 plus years, the one thing that we have seen time and again is that work management is one of the biggest areas that people can have impact. So if you're not planning 90% of your work, you have an opportunity. And that is to apply best practices in your work management. Now, over this period, we've been offering a program for maintenance planners and schedulers. This remains one of our most popular programs. It remains one of the areas that we are called on most to help our clients with. It is a class that helps build competency in the basic blocking and tackling of work management, the job estimating, the job prioritization, the kitting, the scheduling of the work, the following through on the PMs. But over that same 30-year period, we've discovered that there's more to it. So one is you go to a 3-day class, and then you need the tools and you need the resources and documentation to apply it. So we've developed an e-learning course that covers that same content. But it's more than a course, it's a toolkit. So your templates are in there, your processes are documented there. So now it makes it much easier to have a standard work across your planning and scheduling workforce. It also makes it easier to bring new planners onto the team. And perhaps most importantly, it begins that process of bringing in the rest of the organization that you're so dependent on in order to achieve that 90% number. Which leads us to the next component of our overall work management portfolio. The Managing Planning and Scheduling program is a 3-day class. It's designed for the people that lead the planners and schedulers or support them in a management role. It includes program management. It includes the standardized work. It includes how do you measure it and the metrics that you use and how those contribute to the overall organizational goals. It also involves coaching and staff development and how to build a strong planning and scheduling team that involves not just the planners and schedulers, but the rest of the organization. We feel like this is a very important addition to our portfolio on work management. So much so that this course is the required course, or one of the required courses in our maintenance management certification program. So today in our work management portfolio, we have 3 parts. It's our 3-day maintenance planning and scheduling course, our EMPS, e-learning toolkit, and our Managing Planning and Scheduling course. And we encourage you to take a look at those. And to see more about that, you can visit us at lce.com, where you can see examples of some of the programs in the EMPS program, as well as the templates and so forth. And of course, you're welcome to come there as well to register. So lce.com or education@lce.com if you want to email.